brothers and sisters, welcome to the celebration of the new couple, Arvin Garcia and Justin Camille Lebuon.
Hi babe, happy anniversary. 9 years na tayo. Sana magtuloy-tuloy yung pagsasama natin na masaya tapos maging okay lahat, pati sa mga bata. I love you.
Isisit babe, ito na ang araw na inaantay natin. Sana maging masaya ka at ganun din tayo mga anak natin. Mahal na mahal kita, alam mo yan. I love you babe.
He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with. He knows you are my armor, my protector, my relief. He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are the perfect fit for the soul behind this gown. And as I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will be done. 'Cause he knows that I am yours and you are mine.
Paano nga ba tayong simula? I never expected na magiging tayo noon sa pagiging magkatrabaho, naging pamilyado. I love how you patiently love me despite ng aking pagiging masungit. You still choose to be with me. Ayaw ko mangako, instead, I will do my best to support you, love you, and our family. Life will not be easy as long as we choose each other at the end of the day. I know kakayanin natin. I can wait to build our home together with our children. I love you with all my heart, always and forever.
All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though
You become my light, my laughter, and my reason to be better. Today I stand before you to make a promise. To hold your hand when you're strong and carry you when you feel weak. To be a light with you, prepare break moment by moment. I vow to protect you, cherish you, and never stop fighting for us.
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti, at ilang beses na rin tayong humihit.
Muli mga kapatid, pinapakilala ko muli Mr. and Mrs. Garcia.